Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get gold notes on Instagram. First thing you're gonna do is to open the Instagram app on your phone and then tap on the messaging icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Notes. To make this into a gold theme, all you have to do is to include the word gold on your notes. Then, tap on the next button. Here, you should see that your note will turn gold. If it's not turning gold, maybe your Instagram is not updated. You can update it in the App Store. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!